Understanding pas de bourrée in ballet. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of ballet to explore a fascinating French term, pas de bourrée. This phrase isn't just about dance. It's a window into cultural expression and language nuances. Let's get started and demystify this elegant term. Pas de bourrée is a classic ballet term that originated in France. The phrase literally translates to step of the bourrée, with bourrée being a traditional French dance. In ballet, it refers to a quick, intricate set of steps that involves shifting weight from one foot to another. This movement is essential in ballet and is used to transition smoothly between more significant movements. Let's break down the phrase. Pas means step in French. De is a preposition, often translated as of, or, from. Bourrée refers to the bourrée dance, known for its quick pace. Understanding each component helps us appreciate how language and culture intertwine in ballet terminology. Pas de bourrée plays a crucial role in ballet choreography. It's used for transitioning between positions or movements, maintaining rhythm and timing within a dance sequence, adding grace and fluidity to the dancer's movements. It's a fundamental step that dancers learn early in their training and continue to perfect throughout their careers. And that's pas de bourrée for you. It's more than just a dance step. It's a part of ballet's rich vocabulary that blends language, culture, and art. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing your English and exploring new terms, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!